Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a everything shower routine and we're going to be focusing on hair growth. So starting off, we're going to be using the Monday Deep Moisture Hair Mask. The benefits of using a hair mask is to restore moisture, it repairs damage, it smooths frizz, and it adds shine. I think using a hair mask is one of the most underrated products for hair growth. I like to use one about 1 to 2 times a week. With this product specifically, you're supposed to use it after you shampoo your hair, but I've noticed better results using it when my hair is dry before showering. I like to focus the product on the mid-length to ends. If you have greasy hair, I would suggest not applying this to your roots. However, for me, I need all of the moisture I can get from my dry hair. Since I've applied this prior to showering, I'm going to clip my hair up and leave this in for about 10 minutes while I do my pre-shower ritual. You guys know how much I love setting the mood for my everything shower routines. Today's vibe is a fruity scent, really setting the tone for summer. Starting off with dry brushing. This is exactly what it sounds like, using a dry, firm brush on your skin before you shower. It's simply and actually really effective for how your skin looks and feels. This will help exfoliate dead skin, boost circulation, helps unclog your pores, improve skin texture, and can reduce the look of ingrowns. Using a gusha tool after dry brushing before you shower can actually level up your routine, but it has to be done right. So this method enhances lymphatic drainage, it helps reduce puffiness and fluid retention, boosts circulation even more, it gives that glowy, firm look, helps soothe appearance of skin, especially on legs and glutes. Together, using the dry brush and the gusha tool method, this is going to give you a super smooth, snatched, glowy skin vibe. Hopping into the shower, we're going to rinse out the hair mask before getting started on shampooing. Starting off with the Redken All Soft Shampoo. This is a professional hydrating shampoo made for dry, brittle, or frizzy hair. It's one of those your hair feels super expensive after shampoos. This product will actually gently clean your hair without stripping it, adds deep moisture, your hair feels soft and not dry, makes hair smoother and shinier. Following with the matching conditioner, this is honestly going to give you that silky smooth finish after washing. So this detangles your hair instantly, less breakage when brushing. It deeply moisturizes, hair feels soft and not dry, exactly like the shampoo. It smooths frizz and adds shine, and it makes hair easier to style. Moving along to one of my favorite products, this isn't a typical drying bar soap. It's actually a moisturizing beauty bar, which is why everyone loves it. It gives you soft and glowy skin. It's definitely one of my favorites. It keeps your skin hydrated. It is made with 1/4 moisturizing cream. It helps your skin retain moisture instead of stripping it. Moving on to the body wash. This is the Soap and Glory Call It Fruity Body Wash. This is a fruity, hydrating body wash designed to make your shower feel like a full-on tropical vibe while still actually taking care of your skin. This body wash is going to keep your skin hydrated. It's formulated to clean and moisturize at the same time, and the scent is absolutely unreal. It has a tropical scent. It's mixed with mango, mandarin, leaves a light fragrance on your skin even after showering. An everything shower routine is nothing without a body scrub. We are using the Soap & Glory Call It Fruity Body Scrub. This is meant to buff away dead skin cells and give you that super smooth, glossy look. It removes dead skin cells, it brightens and evens texture, it preps for shaving, it helps products absorb better, and it leaves, obviously, a fruity scent. Realistically, the only place on my body I'm shaving is my legs. I've done laser all over my body and I still have a little bit of hair growth on my legs. That's just inevitable. Exfoliating prior to shaving is going to help with ingrowns, razor bumps, you name it. We're trying to get those hairs out of the skin. The viral Tree Hut Moisturizing Shave Oil has finally landed in Canada, so I got my hands on it. This is a gel to oil shaving oil that turns silky when you apply it, helping your razor glide super smoothly over your skin. This gives a closer shave to less irritation, leaves your skin soft, hydrated, and glowy. It smells like coconut and pineapple, literally the vibes of this video. Soft feet is super important in my everything shower routine, so we're going in with a foot file. This is going to remove dead skin cells. It's going to buff away rough, thick skin on heels and toes. It's going to give you soft, smooth feet instantly, and it's going to give you that clean, glossy pedicure look. This video is specifically heavy on products for hair growth. I've been using these exact products for the last 3 weeks and I've noticed major changes. Let me take you through the exact steps and products in order to achieve long, healthy hair. First product is the Way Leave-In Conditioner. This is the lightweight leave-in spray to use after you wash your hair to keep it smooth, protected, and easier to style. Next is the L'Oreal Bond Repair. This is a repair-focused serum designed to rebuild weakened hair bonds, so that's why I'm applying it to the bottom of my hair only. This is definitely an underrated product for sure. Of course, we're going in with the Viral Glass Hairspray. So this is anti-frizz, humidity shield, and it's gonna give that glass hair smooth and shiny finish. It is heat activated, so you do have to use a blow dryer for the best results. One of my biggest goals this year is to not tie my hair back and actually wear my hair down and try to use a round brush. I'm still not amazing at using a round brush, but I'm gonna figure it out, I promise y'all. For my bangs, I've noticed using a round brush is really gonna give that blowout look. Definitely, like I said, I'm not doing it right, but it turned out pretty good. I'm very impressed with myself. Using a night serum has been an absolute game changer, especially because I have dry hair. So this is going to give deep overnight hydration. It makes hair softer, smoother, and less frizzy. I've been getting so many compliments on how healthy and good my hair looks, and it's all because I've been using these products consistently for the last 2 to 3 weeks. I would honestly say hair does not come naturally to me. It is very difficult. So for me to actually be able to do this, I'm mind blown. I'm so proud. For body lotion, I'm going to be using the Hemp Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. This gives deep hydration without feeling greasy. It leaves skin soft and smooth, but I'm also feeling like I need a little bit more shine and oil to my body. So I'm going to go in with the Ellis Myth Body Oil. This smells absolutely amazing. When you pair it with any type of body lotion, it smells incredible. Now you guys can see I'm giving that glass skin effect. I've already lotioned up my legs, so I'm gonna go in with the Palmer's Body Oil. This deeply hydrates and softens the skin. This gives you the most gorgeous glow without feeling greasy. This is probably one of the top body oils that I have used. Moving on to my foot care. This is an absolute must for me. I never miss this step. So I'm going back in with that Palmer's Body Oil, and then I'm going to be using the Cake Minty Mood Foot Cream. This has like a minty scent to it, obviously. So I'm just coating my feet like I normally would, and I'm making sure there's quite a bit of product on there because the socks that I'm going to be putting on have a little bit of silicone on the heel. So this is going to help trap the moisture and keep it intact. I actually like to go to bed with this because I feel like in the morning it gives me the best results. Like, I have baby skin and they are so soft. That is all for my everything shower routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.